We are at the Galt Flea Market here in Galt, California. Right, Suying? It's been a nice day in California. I move slow. What'd you say, boy? What'd you say? Say. Say something. Yeah? No? We got here late, so I think everybody left. Find what you're looking for?
What?
So I got my churro here at Mila's Churro here in at the Galt Flea Market. Got the chocolate filling. Yeah, pretty good. Give it a bite. Good stuff right here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A lot of fabrics. So I caught up to them. It's like the monk section over here. So it's time for the Hmong New Year. Papao, it's a blankie now. We were growing up, we have a lot of these blankets. Mom, Dad always buy us these blankets. Oh, I think I know what she wants. She wants mango nada. I'm with her. So this is the mango nada, right? Let's see what the top is. You love this thing, right? Fun. Action. Go ahead, drink it.
No, not yet.
Drink it.
No, I'm gonna get dirty.
No, you're not. Drink it.
No.
Action. Oh, flavor. Got some peanuts. How's it? Good?
Yeah, it's fresh.
It's fresh? Alright. Suying. Suying, say cheese. Wow, Sugar King. Hey, mama. Feed him. Feed him.
Say no.
You said no. No more.
Oh,
No more.
no for it.
It's good, huh? Okay, sing. Okay. Like it?
Cái chấm đi.
So earlier we got monk sausage here, but I forgot to film it. Was it good though? So this is the food court. They got trucks over there. Then they got some behind me. They got Mexican food, Asian food, and monk sausage. They got burrito. They got a lot of stuff. Shave ice. There's more trucks over there. The churros I bought was from over there. We got Chinese food here too. Smells good. See, what you do now? Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hi or bye?